You're joining us on another video with my beautiful chauffeur over here, Eliza. And today we're going to Chipstead Woods. A lot of Surrey I'm not familiar with, but there's a lot of greenery around, a lot of opportunity, some good photos. It's raining, but it's sunny at the same time. Now, hopefully it doesn't rain too hard, because if this R5 gets wet, it's on rental and it's coming out of my pocket. So, and Lord knows I don't have the money to front a new R5. We live in check to check. It's all for you guys, man. We're making these videos, taking a plunge. Whipping a T-Rock. Whipping a T-Rock. Let's go. She's not just a driver. She's the driver. No Ubers. If you worked for Uber, you'd be getting a 5-star there, for sure. Me? Yeah. Oh, you got some mushrooms for me, yeah? Now we're speaking my language. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there's loads, dude. You weren't kidding. I think we might need to put the F up a bit, so maybe F4. I like that one. See if I can get another angle. You know I'm into my mushrooms though, not in a weird way, but I mean, I guess it's kind of weird, having a fascination with a mushroom. Is that weird? Kind of a cool angle. Just see if we can shoot through. Little babby. See how close this. Take the hood off. Nice, good find. So we've got our spotters. You do? Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Could definitely bring out those oranges in post and get it looking really dreamlike. Wicked. You want to try a bit? Bring some home for Karen to cook up. One more. Then I'm moving on. Look like a freak. These ones are gonna look really cool. Check this one out.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
See all those frills underneath. I got a quick photo, you guys. Is that okay? Hello. You want to pick too? Should get a mid-jump. Don't worry, Peggy. I got attention for you as well. Ah, okay. Oh, you chuck him in the pram? That's cute.
Thank you.
Oh, the third dude as well. Oh, I didn't see. Have a good one, guys. Cheers. Not the best, but we move. So, guys, what camera are you? You like the Canon, Sony, Fuji, Nikon? You almost forgot that one. Flipping heck. Bit high up, mate. I'm only 5'10". Well, apparently 5'9", but I'll take 5'10". Oh, that looks cool though. That looks really cool. I'm hugging the tree. Tree Huggers Anonymous. Come on. Yes. We in focus, boys? Yep. Just about. Let's get some from underneath. Right. Moving on. Sometimes you just gotta hug a tree to get a good photo, you know? It's that easy. You ever felt a tree hug you back?
Me?
Yeah.
I haven't actually hugged the tree.
Damn.
Yeah, I know.
That dog was slow though. You saw the third dog? Flipping heck. Should go through this little concave. If you could call it that. It's getting a bit tight. I'm by no means a pro forager or anything. Oh, potentially I should know what this is. It's like forest chicken or something. Oh, butchered it, man.
Pretty cool. Yeah, difficult getting an angle of these, maybe from below. Yeah, that looks cool. Or does it? Maybe a bit from the side. That's cool, I like this composition. One more. Nah, you're kidding me. 1994, 4 years before I was born, and it's still ingrained in the tree. What's it say on the battery?
6.
6, it's getting quick. What we got over here? Let's go to f2.8. All right, we'll keep going for a little bit and then double back my subjects. I'd really like to take the macro lens for these, and you can see all the gills. There's some really good photographers on Instagram. I'll see if I can dig any of them out. The closer you get, the less area of focus there is. Leave that leaf out of the way. But we like that bokeh, man. That good bokeh. Oh, right. You heard something. Ash. Hello, boy. You right there? How you doing?
You won't hurt, it'll lick you.
That's alright.
That's all right with me. I really wanted to make a terrarium, actually. I keep forgetting to bring out my little dissectors. Oh, look. Wooden mushrooms. How fitting. There's even a little bird on there. You could just post up here, maybe have a little picnic. Good little drum as well. Cool. Go on, get on the swing.
Yeah.
Rope swing.
Do you want me to hold it quickly?
What?
Hold the thing while you get on it.
No, you're getting on it. Don't try that with me, Sonny. Oh, look.
I don't like cherries.
Why is there
but-
chest-
Oh, it's like, it's meant to be like the Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe.
Oh, Narnia.
As you go around, like,
Yeah, hold on, guys. There's something in there. Oh. Everywhere we've been, these NPCs keep spawning out of nowhere. That's what happens. Matrix. There's all sorts going on in this woods, though. Yeah. And hopefully we can bring out these sort of forestry. The kids going wild. But wow, the colours are insane. And these, whoa, so pretty. They almost look kind of like burnt. It's a bulldog.
or whatever.
Oh yeah, little UK bully. You okay there, boss?
Treat him with oh, he's peeing. Every time I'm like, oh, look at that dog, they just start peeing.
That's the effect you have on them, I guess.
Yeah.
Just see if we get a bit closer. Nice. So that's that, guys. Short one for you, but we got some good shots. We did some mushroom photography, and we did a bit of moss, bit of the foliage, bit of the autumn leaves for you. So, yeah, I don't know what they're going to turn out like, but I hope that was entertaining. If you want to see more stuff like that, let me know. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.